Namaste. In this secret moment, let us listen to the timeless wisdom of Lahadi Mahashaya, the silent yogi who brought Kriya Yoga to the modern world. Lahadi Mahashaya once said, Kriya Yoga is the essence of the all religions. It is simple, scientific technique to attain union with the infinite through the control of prana and inner stillness. Kriya means action, but not ordinary action. It's inner action, a secret movement of energy within the spine. Kriya Yoga teaches the yogi to draw life, energy inward, away from the sense, and direct it up and down the spine, from the base to the spiritual eyes, with awareness and breath. This awakens the subtle energy channels, purify the nervous system, and gradually reveals the eternal itself, untouched by time or change. Lady Marsha said, even a little practice of Kriya removes great fear and brings lasting peace. Through this practice, one can live in the world as father, mother, teacher, or a worker, yet remain inwardly free, calm, and connected to the divine. Kriya Yoga is not a religion, it's a universal science beyond dogma, given for all humanity. Lahari Mahashaya invited thousands without changing their outer lives, because he knew you need not renounce the word, renounce the ego within. In this way, Kriya Yoga is a secret bridge from the breath to bliss, from body to soul, from self to self. Its message touches your heart. Perhaps your soul is remembering. On this channel, I share Kriya meditations, mantras, and healing practices rooted in this great tradition. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let us walk this divine path together. Om Kriya Babaji. Nama Om.